When you're replacing a strut and you replace the upper strut mount, you're getting a special 2-for-1 deal. We're going to talk about it next.
This video is sponsored by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper. Visit us online for more information.
When you're replacing a strut on a vehicle, it's critical that you address the upper strut mount. The upper strut mount doesn't just become part of the strut and hold the spring on the strut itself. It is essentially an upper control arm and a ball joint all in one. If there's any problems like separated rubber from the metal portion or any signs that this has been damaged, you need to replace it. If you don't, you could be running into conditions that will cause memory steer or the strut to bind. Also, these are critical at controlling noise in the vehicle. The rubber in here and also the coatings that interface with the strut tower prevent noise from being transferred into the vehicle. So replace these, make sure that everything is moving properly, and you'll have a happy customer. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.